You tried everything, from talking to your child, to punishing him, to taking away his toys, and nothing. He still fights a lot at school. Sometimes even at home with his siblings. What can you do? The question here is not why he's doing that, it's what he's trying to accomplish. Knowing that would let you see in what moment he decided to fight instead of talk. If your child is old enough, talk to him. Ask him, what do you think you can do to accomplish that without fighting? Make him think of other options. Let him get to that decision without you just telling him. When you ask your child about the fight, don't do it in the car right after you pick him up from school. Let him get home, relax, 10-15 minutes, and then start talking to him. He needs time to adjust his ideas, and then he will talk to you. Also, when he's talking, let him finish his story. Let him, even if you know he's not right, let him talk. Ask questions like, what did you feel at that moment? What did you do right after the fight? Or what did you do right before the fight? If he doesn't want to talk, do not pressure him. Do not let him watch TV or play with his toy. Let him just process his ideas. Also, repeat whatever your child says. He will think that if you listen to him, can tell you more things. Then one other thing that you can also do is point out the exact moment where his problem-solving skills stop working. That is when you will tell him what to do instead. That's when the learning will take place. Also, analyze what happened at your home. Do you fight a lot? If he sees you not using the proper problem skills, he will not use them. Don't fight, not only with your spouse. Don't fight over the phone, with the bank teller, at the supermarket. Let him see you how you can deal with the situation without using fighting all the time. Do not fight, because if you do, he will think that's the way to get things done. And that is what the teacher says.